The very best furniture polishes contain an oil for replenishing the wood surfaces and an acid for cutting through dirt. But those polishes are really pretty expensive, but you can make one affordably by just mixing some white vinegar, some olive oil, and a little lemon juice in a plant mister. Then mix it up and spray it right on the surface. And then just wipe it with a clean cloth in circles, which I cut through. You'll find is that the vinegar and the lemon juice together will really cut through anything that's caked on there. And once it's clean, come back with a dry cloth and just dry it off, polish it back and forth in the direction of the wood grain. Look at that, just after a few seconds, how beautiful that looks. Now, after cleaning, if you find any scratches left behind, here's a nutty idea. Fix it using a walnut. This absolutely works. You take a piece of walnut and you rub it over the scratch. Now, this isn't a permanent fix, but it might last weeks, even months. And if it reoccurs, if the scratch reappears, just rub it again with another nut. There you go, gone.